The area will be n triangles. You can count this number of sides. There's 10 of them, so there'll be 10 of these triangles. So the area of the pink regular decagon will be the area of 10 of these triangles, whose base is 6. So now we need to know the height, because we know that the area of a triangle is 1/2 times its base times its height. So for this problem then, once we find the height of this triangle, we'll know the full area of this polygon. So we consider this full revolution of 360 degrees, and we divide it by n, which is 10, because there's 10 sides, 10 of these angles. We divide it by 10 to find the measure of this central angle, which is 36 degrees. However, we need the height of this triangle, so that height will be a segment which divides the 36 degrees into 2 equal 18-degree angles. Alright, so now we have half of this gray triangle, which is a right triangle. And on that right triangle, there's a 90-degree angle, an 18-degree angle. And we can use SOHCAHTOA to find this white side, which again is that height that we need to finish our problem. So if the length of the side is 6, then half of that side is going to be 3. And we can use SOHCAHTOA with the 18-degree angle and the opposite side of 3 and the adjacent side, which is our height that we need. So our right triangle trig mnemonic is SOHCAHTOA. And when we're at 18 degrees, this is opposite and adjacent, so that will be tangent. Tangent of angle 18 degrees is equal to the opposite side 3 divided by the adjacent side h. And so when your variable is in a denominator in the proportion, we did 2 algebraic steps, and we showed that you can always just trade places with the other side on top. So h will go from the basement up to the main floor, and tangent of 18 will come into the basement. They'll trade places, and there's our height. So we've got it. The area of this regular polygon is 10 of these triangles, and we knew the triangle's base right out of the gate, and we figured out its height. We can simplify. 1/2 of 6 is 3, and 3 times 3 is 9, and then you've got 9 times 10, which is 90. And so the area is 90 divided by tangent of 18 degrees, and that's square units. And that's the exact answer. And if we put it in our calculator, we'll get the approximate answer, which is about 276.99 square units. That's square units. All right, I hope this helped.